Hello, amazing people. We are back to bringing you Lagos best homes. So today we are touring units of 4 bedroom, fully detached home, located here at Ikota axis of the Lekki area, right? So we have amazing units of 4 bedroom, fully detached. And trust me when I say the rooms are spacious, okay? The parking space can take up to 2 cars. And we also have this green here and all of it has a pool and all of that. So before I take you on a quick tour, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and let's keep the conversation going. Welcome home. Okay, as usual, this is the ambience of the estate, and these are the units of 4 bedroom, fully detached. So we're taking a tour on top floor. So the car park, wait, right, comfortably takes 2 cars, and you have this building on the facade. Give you a really beautiful exterior of how the home looks. Around the house first before we go inside. So it has a boys' quarters, which is just by my right here, but it is locked. I checked before I said it. Oh, it's locked. And there is this pool here. Well, this pool is not small. It's actually, the size is okay. So let's go inside quickly without wasting much of your time. Okay. So of course, you're welcomed by our signatory gigantic door. Welcome to the sitting area. This is the sitting area, which I also consider spacious. You have your TV console down there. You have your lighting. So let me show you the visitor's toilet right here. So this is it. I'm happy that the developer was generous with the natural light coming in. So by my left, you have the kitchen. So you have this glass door that welcomes you to the kitchen. Oh, this is the second time I'm seeing this design in a home. So it actually is spelled cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Okay. So this is the kitchen. Well, people might say, why is the island here, considering space and all of that? So this is where we'll house the washing machine. As usual, you have your 5 burner cooker, you have your heat extractor, you have your microwave down here, and your oven. Okay, and you have your island at the middle. Then the store is right here, where you can use to store your items, turn into a pantry or something. Then this is where we'll house your double door freezer. Okay, just one last view before we go to the next place. Then this door leads you to the backyard. Okay, still on the ground floor, one we have one room downstairs. Home and suite. We're done downstairs. Let's go upstairs. So you also have this space just underneath the staircase where you can, I don't know, maybe pull like a mini design there. So this is the sitting area. from here. Okay, so let's go upstairs quickly. So the staircase is censored. The light comes up when you're on it. I don't know. So when you enter here, this is where you have the family lounge. Have the family lounge just right here. And this way, you have 2 rooms down here. Let's take a look at this one. So this is one of the rooms. And you agree with me that the rooms are spacious, right? This is the ensuite bathroom. The wardrobe is down there. This is a 4-bedroom fully detached, so we have 3 rooms upstairs. So 1 room this way. I like the fact that this developer did it 4 rooms. You know, some people would have still looked for a way to make this unit 5-bedroom, thereby making the rooms small. So you have your ensuite bathroom down here. Have your shower. Another view from here. The rooms are spacious. Okay, so let's go to the masters. So this is the masters. Of course, they always pay attention to the masters. Have your TV console down there. And this is the balcony. This is your balcony. So this is what the unit looks like. You have your walk-in closet this way. And your ensuite bathroom is here. Have your bathtub with this window here, giving you an overview of your environment. You have 2 of your wash your hand basin. You have your walk-in shower down here. Well, this looks good from where I'm standing. This is going for 330 million. Let me know what you think of this project, okay? So every other details that I didn't add will be in the description. If you want to make this your home in 2026, give me a call. So bye, see you in the next video.